we're going to start a new series looking at sequences and series. Okay, so the first thing to do obviously is to define what is a sequence and what's a series and what's the difference between them. A sequence is an ordered list of, well, it could be anything, mathematical objects we'll say, and each term in the sequence is defined by some rule based on the term number. Okay, so our sequence will be a list xn plus 1 xn plus 2 so on, and it's a non-terminating list, so the list goes on forever. And we write a sequence, we could write xn, so xn in brackets like that would represent a sequence xn, the whole sequence, whereas just writing xn would be the nth term in the sequence. Okay, so let's have a look at an example of a sequence. Say we are going to define for our sequence g of n. Okay, so our sequence g, a term in g of n squared. Okay, so that's fine. That gives us g of n is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, and so on. Okay, so that's an example of a sequence. Just a heads up in future, because we're really going to be getting into these, you know, whether sequences and series converge, what some limit tests, all sorts of things, all sorts of theorems. But this video is just a quick introduction. And series, so a series is a sum of some series, and that's a sum of some sequence, sorry, and that's sum SUM, so it's a sum SUM added up of some SOME sequence. Okay, so the series relating to this would be the sum from n equal 1 to infinity of n squared, so that's a series. Okay, that would be equal to 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 squared, going on forever. Okay, and when we're looking at series, we are going to look at whether these series converge, diverge, okay, all that sort of stuff, and the same for sequences, whether the terms get infinitely bigger or whether they converge to some value. Let's just write down what a series is. So the series, and this is a very informal definition, but the sum of, I wrote of twice, brilliant. Yeah, a series is the sum of some sequence. Okay, so if you do have anything on sequences and series you want me to cover in particular, please be sure to let me know down in the comments. If you did enjoy this video, please be sure to like the video. It helps me know what goes down well and what doesn't. If you want more maths content, please be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next video.